How to create a Telegram wallet. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to create a Telegram wallet to store and manage your digital assets. So, make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're in the app, this will be your home screen. Now, tap the search bar at the top. Next, type wallet, and select the official Telegram wallet bot from the search results. Once you open the official Telegram wallet bot, then open the bot and tap Start to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions and tap Create Wallet when prompted. Make sure to save your recovery phrase somewhere safe, then confirm it by entering the words in the correct order. Once confirmed, your Telegram wallet is successfully created. You can now use it to send, receive, and store digital currencies. You can also explore features like in-app payments and crypto transactions. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.